This 2026 Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS Ford 450 is a Class C RV. It is located in Springfield, Missouri, 65802 and is offered for sale by Reliable RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features a Magnolia, Frinton Bisque Woodgrain interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2026 Coachmen Leprechaun 260DS Ford 450 is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.